Hey guys, good evening. Ralrini here, and tonight I am refilling the wiper fluid on my 13 Escape. I realize we don't have a video for this yet on the channel. Although it is very simple and straightforward, it still may be something that some people don't know where or how to fill it up, and so they might pay someone else to do it. So for the sake of simplicity and saving you a few bucks, I'm just going to walk you through the quick and easy process on filling up your wiper fluid. Hey, so for opening the hood, the lever's right here. Pull that handle. As you can see, there's a yellow handle right there. Stick your hand in, slide to the right. Your hand is holding that yellow handle. Push up on the hood, and it'll unlatch. Pull your strut upwards. Now that you have your strut in position, you can, at the base of the strut is your wiper fluid cap. Pop that guy open, and it should be just fine for adding the full 1 gallon of wiper fluid if you're on empty right now. So you take the cap off, and it always has this little foil cover. Just take the funnel, pop through that, and fill it up. Alright, and then close your cap. So mine was still a little bit high there. I must have still had a little bit of fluid left, but we're all filled up again. Now we're going to test to make sure that everything works and that the fluid's coming through. There you go. Filled up and good to go. Thanks for watching How to Escape. Hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe.